Hi everyone, I'm Peggy Kay, and today I'm going to show you how to make your videos look spookier using the free music and effects offered by YouTube and Google. The YouTube audio library has music in a wide range of genres and moods, and you can do a search for Halloween, spooky, eerie, or other terms to find the perfect piece for your video. YouTube also has a special effects sound library where you can get the sounds of zombies, thunder, screams, and more. Just download the music and special effects you have chosen, and you can use them in your video project. Note that some of the music requires attribution, so be sure to include that. If you download the music and effects on your phone, you can add them to a movie made in the Google Photos app or to a video you upload through the YouTube app. And if you don't want to bother with downloading music to your phone, both the YouTube and Google Photos apps offer a limited range of songs that you can select directly when uploading or creating your movie. The YouTube mobile app also offers special effects filters you can apply when you're uploading your video or when you're live streaming from the app. Very spooky. There are also apps like Motion Capture and the Google Camera that let you use their augmented reality options to create video with spiders and other critters. The downside is that the videos you create aren't always that high resolution. All of the options I mentioned here today are totally free, so take a few minutes and make your Halloween video just a little spookier.